Yeah, 285 of the year of streaming and learning to code. We are finally finishing up the number guessing game. Way cool. Good times. So all we have to do is a couple final touches. And we can move on. So again, also the way it was set up, we've established the core functionality quite a while ago. It was a lot of just kind of extra credit things that we've been trying to stitch together as we figure out all of this extra noise, so to speak. Um, hey there, little cat. How are you doing? So I mean, technically we could just walk away from it as is, but I think I'd like to add just one more round of polishing and a couple more features, and then I'll be comfortable with walking away. I still don't think we will have covered all the extra credit stuff, but definitely most of it. And that's fine because even over the last 200, I don't know, 70 or 80 plus days, going through the tutorial sites, a lot of the, you know, uh, challenge project type assignments we've encountered at either Code Academy or Free Code Camp or Code Wars, we've kind of always just done the bare minimum. So the fact that we've tried to conquer as much of the extra credit stuff as possible so far is a step in the right direction. Oh my god, cat, you were literally standing on the escape key. Here, look, just go hang out on the bed. Right? Look at that. Yeah, good cat. Good cat. Who's got your tail? Steven does. I've got your tail. More importantly than having the tail, we have some CSS that we need to update and add in a couple core things to our code. So, Tiny Cat, why do you insist on rubbing your face on the monitor right now? You're blocking the entire Chrome side of the screen. Where'd our mouse go? We've got 50% field of view for mouse real estate. Hey, take a seat. God, freaking quadruped. Look, just keep your toes. You can lay on the desk. Good. You've been. Are we at a? We're at a truce. Nice. She's laying down now at least. Although her knuckles are grazing caps lock, so if I start firing out capital letters, we all know it's her fault. So, what are we looking for specifically? I kind of want to tie in some commenty stuff. Let's take this. Maybe that. Yeah, there we go. View. JavaScript. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so there's that. Again, just some final touches, adding in the initial comments, parameters, let them know the range of things. That would probably be good to let them know. And what else do we want to let them know? How many guesses they have, right? Or their limit. Hey, Toasty. Good morning. Good morning to you as well. Hopefully, let's see, what's, well, I guess now since it's past midnight for us, and I believe for you, since it's morning time, Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. Our Thursday is still coming to an end, despite being past midnight, but technically, it is Friday. Yay, Friday. We want to do, so the code I was going to take, and it could be easier than this. In fact, I'm sure it's easier than than this. But what I was going to do was take essentially this code. Actually, I think I was going to take this code and do that. I wanted to reference the max and the minimum of our stuff. How should I go about doing that? Tiny cat, your legs are sprawled everywhere. Here's our keyboard, and we've got legs above her body and then legs wrapping around in front. She's napping in a U shape around the edge of the keyboard, and it's not happening. The toes to keys and letter ratio is wildly out of proportion. We're gonna have to move you, despite how sleepy you are. What if you, let's assume the napping position in our lap. We haven't done that in a while. Alright, 1, 2, 3, no claws. No claws. Oh, so much for no claws. We're good. We're good. Little knife toes. Let's do this. Let's do this. So, new P. Create a paragraph element. What if I do that above? And then new text. Create a new text node. That's specifically for returned, though. Hold on. Coming to terms with that. Maybe we'll save the functionality stuff for later. Yeah, let's save the functionality stuff for later. Through that noise. Let's do the HTML. Let's do how do I want to reference those? Random X. Is there a way for me to reference just, yes, min and max? There is a way for me to do that. I can do random min and then random max, and that'll work. That will work. We will have something somewhere like a variable, and it will be variable. No, what will it be? It will be going to be very similar to this. I know it'll be similar to all of that. Copy. Go forth. Paste. New paragraph. My concern is that I can just leave it up here, and then I can actually get rid of it in this line. So let's do that. Text won't be returned. This we can actually change. Yeah. It will be, something rhyming with... Damn. Bring the numbers in, because whatever I'm you know, basically I'd like to say in the paragraph, don't mind me with the, this is just for example purposes. Uh, guess a number between blank, random, either be concatenation plus random min and random max. God, I hope I can do that. Right? Some quote stuff. Like so. Maybe I don't even need to do the following. Or the stuff above it. Maybe I can just make this a thing. Guess a number between space random. I hope I can just do random min and random max. That would be fantastic. C-select me. Sleepy. Oh yeah, no, we're exhausted as well. Sleepy, not bored. Well, Toasty, you can check if you need it. If you do something afterwards with it, no, you can't. Yes, no, not the paragraph stuff here. Not that. Not that. That's gonna go away, but making some type of tying in the blah 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 and then having the text equal this. See, I want to make instructions like here. I want to have new paragraph. Blah blah blah. Let's call it instruct. Maybe just instruct. Or just inst for instruction. We'll do inst. So this will now take a thing returned. Or we can put the whole sentence in there. Let's do that. Let's take the whole sentence. Well, see, I wanted to save. I kind of wanted to leave it empty. No, I didn't want to leave it empty. Instructions. Cut. Blah. See that? Guesses. Not at guesses. We wanted to have the same song and dance for this. Div. Copy. But instructions. Oh, I guess it would be H4. Damn. We'll figure this out. Toasty, no you can't. Random min still calls the random function. Damn. And there's no variable called min. Death. Min only exists inside the function, not outside. You're right, I'm outside of the scope of the function. Rack. Typical. That's inside the function. Doing all of that. So in that instance, I could do... I'd have to move everything inside the variable. Copy, or cut. maybe put that inside? Or is that just too weird? I don't think it's too weird. There's nothing inherently wrong about it. At least not to my knowledge. The other thing is set up a paragraph and then reference in the HTML what's happening from JavaScript. I'm not sure if it's easier to send JavaScript to HTML or if it's easier to send HTML to JavaScript or reference the two for pulling data or datas, whatever you prefer. Toasty. So new variables that contain min and max. Wait. Min only inside, so new, yes, I suppose, Toasty. Yeah, that would make sense. So I need to set up variables that equal those two parameters. Is that what's happening? And I need to do that beforehand, similar to guesses. So random would take min and max. Yeah. So here though, I can change that. I can set up actual variables. So, and if I'm setting up actual variables for min equals 1 and variable max equals 11, I can get rid of this random number equals random blah, and I can have it be min and max. Good, because now I've established them here, and since I've established them outside, for this, they'll also continue to work here, like so. Nothing has changed, and that means I can remove these. And I can do the following. If I want to go this route of creating a new paragraph. Although maybe I should do new H4. I don't know if I want them to be... If I want the instructions to be in blue, I think I want them just to be in black. I kind of think I want just paragraphs. I would actually be okay with that. New paragraph. Okay. Hold on. Toasty. C-select me. Don't do this inside random, please. Lol. That's not what I wanted to trigger. Oh, okay. C-select me. Now just change random min to min only and random max to max in your text. Aha. That makes so much more sense now. You're right. Good call. Min and max. There we go. Yeah, that would have been painful. Okay. Noted. So, and instead of guesses, we want it to go to instructions. Instructions. Yes. Wait. Range. Range. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it range. But where are we going to call it range? Range here will be this. Copy. Pasting a div. Range. Guess between. Yes. Good. Good. And save. Now this is something. God, I hope this is okay. Instructions. Do we want to leave it? Yeah, instruction. It's not amazing, but it works. It works. So there's that. Well, hot damn, I think that's really all we need. What else would we need? We would also want the following. Blah, 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 blah. New paragraph. I think we'd also want this once more for yeah, the limit. You have blank guesses remaining. So how would we want? I guess we'd want to do that below this. For guesses remaining. Nice, nice. Alright, hold on, let me see. Not what I want to trigger. Now just change the random min to min and random max to max in your text. You can control the classes of your elements with something like element.style class equals, and then quotes. It's dot class name, I think. Sorry, element dot class name. Cecil. So I've been thinking that you're randomly saying Poppy. I was confused. and now I'm yeah, that would seem odd. Deselect me. So I've been thinking you're randomly saying Poppy this whole time, not copy. When you do copy and paste. That's what happens in late night streams. Insanity. It's probably also the noise gate. It's probably the like the release time or the action time. I think I need to have it or the attack time. I think I need to have it release quicker. But yeah, no, it's just it's brutal. It's brutal. Toasty, the Poppy cast. Oh god, it's late and I'm delirious. This is why we save just CSS and some minor tinkering for this later last stream of this project, because I can't handle anything more. Okay. So instead of instructions, we will call this remainder. Yeah. Remainder. Wait. Used? Still instructions, more instructions. Left. We'll call it left. Aha. Watch this. Left. Left. And here will be remainder. Or we can do remaining. We'll do remaining. Yeah. Remaining. But we need to change this. So guesses. Copy. Remaining. Blank, blank, blank. With a semicolon. And it will be limit. Right? That should work. Plus guesses remaining. Oh, guesses or remaining guesses 3. Guesses remaining 3. Dot 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 plus quotes dot dot dot. Yeah, that's concerning, especially when there's a question mark and an exclamation staring at you. Good. Okay, that's frustrating. Nice. So now from here, we want to do the following. Let's save this. Command save. Wait a second. This... I don't know if this is going to work the way I intended it to. One, yeah, that. We need to have a break. And we need to change the styling of it because it's all just considered paragraphs. So we need to reference the IDs, but the CSS is what we were going to get to afterwards. We'll be sure to add in breaks accordingly. And something about something. Well, wait. Line 27. I pissed someone off at line 27. What's wrong with line 27? It's document something. End child of null. What the deuce does that mean? Well, let's guess. Let's see what happens. 1. Submit. Nothing. They're just really pissed. I broke the internet. Damn. Hold on. Comment stuff. Limit guesses. Have it change each guess. Oh, yeah, I should. Oh, that means I'll need to put it inside the function then, won't I? Because guesses go up and limit stays the same. Oh, you're totally right. I do need to do limit minus guesses. You're absolutely right. Limit minus guesses. Can I just have it like do that? Like, are they gonna be fighting over here? Do I need to put it in like a parentheses, maybe? Maybe that'll help. I don't know if that's actually gonna do anything, but let's hope that works. I don't think that's going to work. Maybe I need to do another variable. Like variable total equals limit minus guesses. That seems more plausible in my mind. And then here I would just do total. I think that's the world I want to live in. Okay. So I have it changed with each guess. Never add that. Oh, I never added that section into HTML. You're totally right. You're absolutely right. So here we can do the same song and dance. Copy. And it was remainder or remaining. I don't even remember what the hell I called it. Remaining. Copy. Oh, you guys are so handy. Guesses. Remaining. Guesses remaining. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we can do a break, I guess. That would be... That could be a thing. Would we do a break there? Hold on. Hold on. Would I do a break there? Yeah, I think so. You don't need to. It would just be fancier. I think he actually has to. Yum Yum, hey! Yum Yum, how are you doing? Been a while. Hopefully your day/evening is going well. We are in the midst of essentially finalizing our project that Topher provided us with. At least one of the first projects in the tiny herd of projects that Topher sent our way for us to conquer. So there's this. Let's try this once more. Save. Command save. And we will do CSS stuff soon. We're just laying down the functional code and sort of the structural stuff prior to that. That way we have stuff to modify with CSS. Refresh. No break. I did it wrong, didn't I? Is it... It's supposed to do something. I must have missed something. Maybe I could have sworn it was a break. Yeah, look, BR, break. Very odd. Yum Yum, good. I see you're finally doing more projects. Oh yeah, definitely. Wait, Cecil, break slash. Oh. Does that mean this break isn't doing anything because it's missing a slash? That would be disappointing. Command save. Refresh. No. No substantial difference. Maybe it just doesn't like the shirt I'm wearing. You know? That could totally be a thing. Maybe the HTML has developed a preference and it just has decided to stop obeying Steven. Which is far more likely than me getting a hang of HTML. Save. Maybe it is break slash. HTML break. BR. Yeah, BR, just like that. I must have missed something. Maybe it's because it's divs. BR/ is correct, so you got some other strangeness going on. I suppose. BR element produces line break. Text carriage return. Tag omission must have a start tag, but must not have an end tag. In XHTML documents, write this element as BR space slash. Fascinating. Any elements that accept that phrasing content shouldn't be used by authors. Oh, wait, usage note. This attribute is obsolete HTML in HTML5 and should not be used by authors. Use CSS clear property instead. Huh. BR. Maybe it's because it has to be at the end of the line. See here, the break is on the same line as the input, and right now I've got it below the div. I didn't think that would be an issue, but I think I just need to raise it. If we just push some code to production and it seems to work, pulse can go down now. That's good. Yay. Yay stuff. Hey, zero love. Use BR and BR/ they work the same. Oh, I use BR and BR/ they work the same. BR/ is strict and more correct, just being pedantic. That's fine. Not to worry. I think it's because it's not on the same line, which is crazy talk. Maybe it's an Atom issue and it likes breaks. Maybe Atom prefers its breaks on the same line. Is that weird? That could be a thing. It probably isn't a thing, but I'm going to pretend that it is. Let's find out together, shall we? And let's save over here. Command save. And refresh. Stack of death? I broke the internet. I broke the internet. That's all there is to it. Plus my code up here is up. Also a likely story. Total. Guess minus blah. Left. And child left. Remaining. Blank, blank, blank. He's locked me. Yeah, that isn't a thing. God damn. Okay. Alright. Fair enough. Fair enough. Well, what other new alternatives do we have? What's this CSS clear nonsense? Is that gonna solve any of my problems? CSS clear property specifies whether an element can be next to floating elements that precede it or must be moved down cleared below. The clear property applies both floating, non-floating, clear, none, left, right, both, inline, blah, 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 blah. Inherent initial, blankety, blankety, blank. Container after block, clear, both. I don't know what any of this means. None is a keyword indicating that the element is not moved down to clear past floating elements. Left is a keyword indicating that the element is moved down to clear past left floats. Right is a keyword indicating that the element is moved down to clear right past floats. I don't know what that is. Both. Does both inline start? Yeah, I guess. So let's do left. And, well, right? So we want... Where's the damn clear left? Let's try that on for size. Clear left. So now we also want to take... We also want to take our code and do the following. ID range. Actually, I guess we would want to apply it to... So we could do clear right for range, or we could do clear left for remaining. Tough call. Let's do both. Let's start with remaining. Copy. Okay, here we go. Remaining. Clear. Left. Alright. And save. In a perfect world, what does this look like? Sakash. Hold on. Hold on. It has to do with... Maybe it's our CSS. Maybe that's what's happening. Remaining clear both. Okay, clear both. I like that. We can do that. Both. And man, save. We're saving here. We're saving there. More saving. Yeah, that's right. 13 saves. And now 17 saves. All in a matter of 8.5 seconds. Refresh once more. Unbelievable. God, sack up balls. Bag of dick. Fuck. Okay, so, not to worry. Not to worry. Clearly a higher power is challenging us. We won't back down. Different solutions that we could come up with. One, throw the computer out the window. I don't think that's going to solve the problem. Two, we break the computer into very small pieces and start to feed it to Little Kitty. 3, we go on some ridiculous Google search expedition and figure out a way to actually solve the problem. This is tragic. This is tragic. Okay, what to do? What to do? Zero love, remaining clear both. Wait, shouldn't it be... Nothing is floating. Also, hey, Aqua. I just noticed that. I was trapped in frustration. Good morning. Good morning to you, Aqua. Been a while since I could watch a stream. Good to have you back again. Zero love, you missed yesterday's stream. It was hilarious. It was tragic. We all know it was tragic. Zero love, couldn't it be Toasty? Nothing is floating. Range clear both. Well, maybe it should be range clear both. Why are you laying on the escape key, you furry cat? No, 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 no. That was not an invitation to lay on other keys. Ugh. Okay, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Let's move the phone out of the way. Don't mind me. This is tragic because we can't see chat when we move our phone out of the way. Damn you, cat. Damn you. This is just awful. Okay, we're just gonna have to make do. We're gonna have to make do. Something about something. Range. You said add in range. We'll just do both. Copy. Although we shouldn't need to do this. Range. Followed by saving a lot. And refreshing. Still nothing. Damn, damn, damn. CSS is trying to trick us. The CSS gods are angry. They're angry at Steven. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Range, clear both. So you shouldn't need... Okay, nothing's floating, so you shouldn't need to clear. Toasty, inspect your code in the console. I agree. We'll do console log, and we'll see what's happening. Yum yum. Cat. Yes, Little Kitty is in fact here. Barney of the Rubble. Yeah, Flintstones username. That's great. That's Spectacular. Steven, if you had a mustache, you'd find your skill level is greater. Yeah, the mustache with the eye patch microphone. That's exactly what I need. Pirate Steven. Yarg. Zero love, no. Sadness, God has... See, select me. God has forsaken you. Toasty, not console log. Oh, not console log. Click. Aha! Click on the elements. You're right. You are indeed right. Oh. Okay. Even as I'm hovering over it, I see it now. It's a paragraph. That's the issue. It's a paragraph. See? So it needs to be down here. Damn, damn, damn. Can we all see? Yeah, see? Good, good, good. So I need to do it down here. I thought doing it to the divs, though, would have worked out, but I guess because the paragraphs are inside the divs, it's more specific. And it's receiving its own CSS nonsense. Clear both. And save. And there's that. Maybe not. Just a moment. Just a second. Hold on. Tiny crisis. The tiny cat, you stay there. No moving. No moving. Alright. Tiny crisis mostly averted. Alright, back to chat stuff. On the phone. Okay. Here we go. All kinds of fun comments. God is forsaking you. Toasty, click on elements. Elements. Right, left of the console. Wait, right, left? What do you mean right, left? Are these button combinations for Mortal Kombat fatalities? What do you mean right, left, right, left? Elements, right, left, to console. Wait, do you mean right, directional right, or did you mean verb right, as in WR, not RIGHT, but WRIT? They write to the console? Or right-click, inspect element something. Please select me. Are you adding them to both to the same container by adjacent reviews? Wait, please do that. Oh, right equals in the exact same position. It is a tab. Ah. Good. I think that highlights how our general lack of understanding for all things that we should know that we don't. Barney the Rebel, when refreshing, ensure you use Shift F5 to make sure it's fully refreshing, but please don't save 5 times. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. So... elements... Ta-da. Console. Elements. Although we were doing stuff. Hold on. Once more. Tiny Crisis. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Alright. Yet again, more and more crises averted. Alright, so. We found the tab, Toasty's psyched. Click on the label elements that's left to console in the inspection tools. Thank you, finally. We are so ill-equipped for this job. Okay, so we've made it this far. Now, check if you appended the text to one paragraph or the two like you wanted. Tiny cat, make a decision. Good, good. Oh, we have space to type again. Thank God. Okay, so check the following like so. Body, div class main, range. Should I get rid of the stupid comment? Is that throwing things off? Wait, why isn't range updating with anything? Remaining. Oh. It's because I... Damn. It's because I have them both going to remaining instead of range. Sack of death. I just... You know... Unfortunately, there aren't cliffs high enough for me to jump off of to escape my frustration as I'm coding all this stuff. Not to escape everything forever, but just for a brief moment of free falling to try to peel myself away from this frustration. Damn. I'm just... Little Kitty, I'm gonna blame you. It was Little Kitty's fault. Well, let's go change that. Who does that? Just awful. So ridiculous. So we need to change. I thought we changed everything. Tiny Cat, we can all see that you're moving the microphone. Will you stop rubbing your face on the mic, you goddamn feline? Alright. Shimmy. Zero Love, finally. Check it out if you pen the text to one paragraph, or two like you wanted. Comment is fine. I knew it. Zero Love should have followed Cecil Acme's advice 10 minutes ago. What did Cecil say? God has forsaken you. I don't know if that's... Oh my god, Cat, your ears are shaking. Wow, really? You're just gonna sit on the trackpad. We're gonna deal with you in a second, Cat. We are gonna deal with you in a second. Cecil Acme, B-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dee. Don't need to do it. Remaining div. Is that... Did we miss something? What did we miss? It was range that never worked, but remaining did. Why did remaining work? New paragraph. Instructions. Guess a number. Blank, blank, and blank. New paragraph, append child. Document get range. Append new. Do I need to set up a different one of these for each one? No. I do, don't I? I was hoping I wouldn't need to, but I think I do. You have to create another new P. You're adding to the same one twice. Sack of death. Alright, little cat, move. Oh, how... What is this? It's been 284 days and you've never sat in this spot, or 85 days, and you've never been in this spot, where you're having a coding crisis, and you're just busy sucking on your toes, if that's the only problem in the universe right now. Okay, let me move the mic back, just slightly. Sweet baby, Jesus. Okay, this is good, this is good, this is what's supposed to happen. Learning is supposed to be painful and fun, and indeed, this has proven to be exactly that. So, let's do new paragraph 1. Copy. New paragraph 2. And new paragraph 3. Yeah. That's just poetic, almost. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. There we go. Happy thoughts. Command save. Jesus, I hope it doesn't, like, just explode apart from all the spacing stuff we did in CSS, but let's find out. And it's gone. Totally vanished. Uncaught reference error. New P is not defined at line 15. Your mother isn't defined at line 15. Oh my god, all the append child nonsense. This nightmare is never gonna end. Where we're gonna have brain aneurysm on stream. Death, death, death. 3. Followed by 3. Okay, there. Hopefully, everything should be accounted for. No stray paragraphs. Save. We'll deal with all the clearing lines later. And save. Let's try this once more. Refresh. Holy sh... Look at this. Could land a plane in between there. My god. What if we get rid of... Oh, we get to use our comment, our comment, button commands. Command and slash. Look at this. Boom. Yeah. In your face. Let's see how that works. Command save. What does that do for society? Refresh. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. How about over here? Let's clear out this one. And save. And refresh. Beautiful, beautiful, nothing. And how about this? What if we change it to left? And save. Refresh. Yeah, still nothing. Awesome, awesome. Here's that. Followed by command save. Refresh again. Good, good, good. And here, there's no way a single break is that large. What the hell happened? Because if we get rid of this and save... What is this? Why? Oh, because they're already in two separate divs, and they're paragraph elements. So because there's already a break between them, right? Yeah, we're good. Let's clear out, we can avoid the clear stuff. We're going to keep the space because we're going to change it to... Actually, we're going to do both in one. So, cut, get rid of this, followed by comma, space, blah, and color. Actually, we don't really need to copy that, but color... black, yeah, just nice and generic. There we go, and this can be destroyed. A frickin' boom. Will that work? Maybe it won't. Maybe that won't work. Because the paragraphs are inside the divs. I mean, I can live with the red. And we could change it to the black. It does give it a little bit more life. It's just I was kind of hoping the instructions would be black. And then the printouts would be red. Not that it really changes anyone's day. But just sort of some mental stuff that Steven was dealing with. Well, anyways, okay, so it's red. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's supposed to be red. 2, enter. 4, enter. And 6. Ta-da, you guessed correctly. You know what? This. I can live with this. This will be our legacy. It's not perfect, but it's a step in the right direction. I can live with that. We've got number stuff. Instructions. Oh, we are supposed to tell them when we lose. What the number is. Similar to this one. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da. This is the last bit. 93 was my number. We need to return that. That is the missing component from our code. That is the last piece to this nightmare puzzle. Hold on, what's happening? Should have followed Cecil's advice. C-select me, you have to create another new P, you're adding same one twice. Oh, be careful naming things. That's how disasters happen. Oh, interesting. A pen child P number. You have to break, I think. Remove, C-select me, remove break. Remove all the clear CSS and remove the break. You don't need to clear anymore. P has its own set margins. Also, C-selectomy divs are blocked by default. They already break. Good to know. Your love, sadness. Why not just change your P color? Oh, tricolor black. Important. Aha. Important. You're right. That's a thing. That is a thing. Cecil, apparently I typed... Oh, Jesus. Apparently I typed something that Twitch didn't like, and it didn't send it. Due to our CSS color black. Fascinating. Well, we do have the auto mod on, so it very well could have detected something out of context. Let's see. Important, right? Black, exclamation. We learned about this somewhere. Important. Forces this property to override any other declarations of the same property. Use with caution. Where we're going, we don't need caution. That was a Back to the Future reference. Doc, there's not enough road. Where we're going, we don't need roads. No, that's all right. That's okay. You'll get it. You'll get it. What are we doing? We're refreshing. We saved, we refreshed. Didn't quite work. I was hopeful that was going to work. But that's fine. I think, you know what? The red adds character. The red adds character. Things to do, things that rhyme with stuff. See, the thing that we could do, in my mind, and it sounds crazy, and I'm not sure if it would work, but is to put the variables like min, max, not necessarily the variables. We could do the whole sentences that these are pushing, put them in a span tag, and then give the span an ID, or even just span itself, and then do span or the ID that we've associated with the span tag, and then do color black. Because then what it would be sending, even though it is a paragraph, the whole thing on the outside is creating a paragraph, but on the inside would be the span tag. Yeah, right? Crazy. But good times. Oh wait, I see Zero Love said span tag as well. Did we come to the same conclusion? Or maybe you're following off of what I was saying. Who knows? I know I'm clueless. C-select me, apparently okay, Zero Love, no. C-select me, CSS cascades, important needs to happen before. It's what's overwriting, put it at the end of the CSS file, I think. And then span tags too much work. I agree, span tags are too much work. So we just need to deal with the concluding statement. We need to let them know what the truth is. Hashtag X files, right? The truth is out there. So 93 was our number. We want to reference our number. And how do we want to reference our number? I guess we'll set up a whole thing. What do we even do? No, we do it at the bottom after the button occurs, right? Else if the button changes and then there's the printout. Yeah, the button changes and then there's the printout. And it's the same song and dance we've been doing up here. Lee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dee. Ba-dee-doo-doo-doo-doo. 1 and 2. And this can be... We'll have to come up with new names. 4. Zero Love. Alright, I'm tired. Gonna leave now. Thanks for, don't forget to commit and push. Of course, will do. Thanks for hanging out with us, Zero Love. See you in the future. Alright, P4. Let's do this. We are so freakishly close. P4, P5s. Everybody's peeing. We don't need to... No. Hold on. It would be the same thing. We can just do a P4. Copy. Because it's going to be the same and we only need to do it once. We only need to do it once in try again. You're exactly right. You are exactly right. Because obviously they know what the number is if they got it. And play again means the stuff. Oh, we do have to tell them, damn. One of them, for try again when they lose, we tell them the number was blah blah blah, better luck next time, or something to that effect, like, you suck, try living a better life next time around. The other one is you guessed right, or we celebrate. Yeah, blah 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 is our number. Here's a free cat, you know? Let's do... Man, oh my god, cat. Oh my god. Speak of the devil. Manzi. Okay, so one of them, play again. They get a congratulatory. Congrats. What the deuce? Oh, and that goes down here. Copy. Congrats. You guessed correctly. Huzzah. I don't know how to spell huzzah. Huzzah. Is that a thing? Right? Yeah, good, okay. Beautiful, beautiful. We guessed correctly. We huzzahed. Or we instinctively huzzahed. Capitals. There we go. There we go. Alright, so there's that. Congrats, we've got new P4. So for play again, means they got the number. We give them a congratulatory statement. You guessed correctly. Huzzah. Congrats. There's this. Everyone's happy. The world keeps spinning. Oh, but it's not guesses. We already have the button. We don't need to update guesses. Where do we put it? It will be a new paragraph called something. Oh, select me, you're already doing the you guessed correctly with returned. You're totally right. Oh my god. You guessed correctly. Fascinating. This was an entirely useless thing. So you guessed correctly is all it needed. Let's get rid of that. For play again. And down here will be try. No. We'll call it loser. Or lost. We'll call it lost. Here. Our number. Our number plus space was our number. Try again. I think that will work. Blank was our number. Try again. And, I wonder if we can do new P5 append. Right, we need to change the number. And since we actually got rid of this, we can change it to 4. That way people aren't wondering when historians are looking at this 300 years from now, what the happened to 4? Why does it go from 3 to 5? They'll know. So let's set it up with 4. And we can change this to a new div, which we will call loser. This will be loser. Copy. Or failed. Ah, yes. Fail. We'll do failed. Past tense. ED. Because this was present. Remaining. So yeah, we'll throw some tense at you for all our grammar nerds and syntax. Good times, good times. Let's see. Where would one put that? Underneath guesses. Yes, underneath guesses, indeed. Failed. Oh god. Oh god. Falling in on itself. Inception. Failed guesses. Cool. Alright, is that everything? Command save. Command save. And command save. NP4. Lost. Our number. Random number, which is this guy up here, blah blah blah, with that and that, and good time, good. So our number was our number. Try again. Lost. Here. Failed. I knew we were missing something. Append new P4. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, let's save this, give it a run, and then we can commit and push, and everyone gets to go to sleep. Huzzah! Yeah, maybe. Let's find out. Refresh. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. It worked. I did it, little cat. Did you see? No, I don't know where little kitty is, which is somewhat horrifying because she's a hunter. She's like a great white, but way deadlier. Because she's silent. But look at that. It worked. Dee. That was all your reward for watching this, and that was all my reward for enduring this for God knows how many days. But I feel great. Not gonna lie. Look at this. I don't even know how many days it was, but I birthed HTML and some CSS stuff and JavaScript goodness, right? Yeah, you don't see that every day, especially from a crazy person. I made something. Steven. Shocking. That's kind of fun. I don't know if I should feel this proud, but I do. And it's great. Alright, it also could be the fact that it's after 1 a.m. in the morning. It is indeed 1:19:59. Super late. So we will indeed save once more. Good. We're saving. And let's go ahead, close out of this noise. This is so awesome. Look at that. Yeah. Guess who did that? Steven did that. Tell your friends. You don't have to tell your friends. We're just being ridiculous. Wow, we've completely lost all sense of sanity. Just in the nick of time, too. We are looking to push this to GitHub. The bane of our existence. Maybe we'll warm up to GitHub today. It's scary because it's always watching us. I don't think that's how GitHub works, but at 1:19 a.m., that's how it works, in my mind at least. Okay, so here we go. We've got this. Can we see that in OBS? I think I need to turn it on. We've got the desktop app open. Partial boom, successful booming. There's this. Let's go ahead and do finished, finalized the number guessing game. Cool. Description. You know what we'll do? Cut. Finishing touches. Finishing touches to the game. Finalize the... Oh, that's not a word. Number guessing game. Added CSS and stuff. Nice. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Commit and push. Alright, there we go. And push origin. Hanging on. Resolving details. And supposedly it's been fetched. Blows out of that noise. Over to our solution. Aha, 23 seconds ago, all 3 files. Hot damn, look at us. Doing things, making code, and pushing to GitHub. We didn't see this happening 284 days ago, that's for damn sure. This is unreal. This is awesome. Alright, good times. We survived. Thank you again to anyone and everyone who stopped by to view the stream today, the last couple of days, or many days, however long you've been viewing, whether you recently showed up or have been viewing for a while. We have survived indeed, in no small part thanks to you guys. So all the assistance and guidance and pro tips, all of that is truly appreciated, because I'm in desperate need of help. Today we had Toasty, Cecilectomy, and Yum Yum, as well as Aqua, and Barney of the Rubble, and anyone else, Zero Love, of course. And I think that was just about everyone who threw stuff out into chat today. Alright, so, day 285 comes to an end, but the adventure continues tomorrow with day 286 of the year of streaming and learning to code. In the meantime, are you sure you want to stop the stream? Hell yeah, kill it!